What are you making, Tom?
Trying to make this a bit stronger. But yeah, so essentially you're going to be going trim that angle a bit more to get it up tighter, and then weld along here, all along here. Same on this side, and then cut this out.
Cut that
for
bar
clearance.
out for clearance. Well, excellent.
BPM from a resting 70 something, 60 something. What's it, 53 says.
Closely.
So that's the almost result. A nice strong lower cross frame there for the radiator to go on. Obviously once the subframe's back out, tidy these edges up because can't really get into it without damaging the subframe. So they still need to be capped off now. And then job's a good one. Yeah. Thank you, Tom.
Hopefully the radiator still fits.
It will.
Yeah.
So as far as we can get today until the subframe's out, and we can obviously get close and initial that without cutting into the subframe. So we've got a nice, strong, sturdy lower cross member. That's a good, what, 2 inches down to where the other one was, so we've got plenty of room for the radiator. All boxed in, either end. Obviously we can drill little holes and fill that with cavity wax. But for now, it's another jobbed. Thank you, Thomas. I've got to get the engine back out so we can trim this bottom thing out, and also I need to clean the engine up, fit everything properly, get it all nice before it goes back in, get the frame powder coated, etc. So it's all got to come out again, so I'll do that now. there you go, back out again. So we'll get this back on dollies, get it over the other side out the way until we get round to carrying on with it. We've got a few more things we need to bring in the meantime, so there you go. Yeah, I'll chuck us that cup on that, it's not a tea. Need to fix that voice. It's got spaces in it because it wouldn't close up all the way. Well, how am I going to put the bonnet down?
Hmm?
How am I going to put the bonnet down?
You want to fucking cut this off and use the aero caps? Oh.
Does a rad fit in the hole?
But I was going to check the bumper fitment first. I mean, technically, you can push the whole front end out if you wanted to. Move the light fixes, I suppose you have to move the windows as well.
Yeah. So I mean,
This should. That was the centre holes that I marked.
I need to catch up the bonnet. But... Oh yeah. I have to get some thingies.
Nothing in there.
Out of the way. Oh.
Boom.
Boom! Yeah. Once that's all screwed down and bolted on, that'll be fine.
Check if the radiator fits.
Right. So obviously that'll all be cleaned up and painted and whatever have you. And we're about, well, Tom's about to tidy these edges up, but that shows how much extra room you get. I know it's not the most pretty, it's not original, but loads of room now. So carry on. Yep.
Put like some little eyes for this.
Yeah.
How far out I need to go.
Yep. Well, I'll do that later once the engine's all back in and can see where it sits. So a little bit further, you can see we've rolled the edges over, so it's now flush. Obviously got to tidy up a little bit around here, same on the other side, and obviously still yet to do this, but now that's all in, we can take the headlight out and get on with that. So nice big opening for rad and intercoolers, and then obviously we'll have to just put some aero catches on there, but yeah. Thanks to Tom. Another step closer. Next job. So now that that's front panels done as far as we can at the moment, going to start cleaning up the bay, taking things out we don't need. Now this has got a rear wash wipe, which means I can put a bottle in the boot and then use the boot pipe to bring it forward to the front, so I can get that out of the bay. I don't think we're going to be able to lose much else of this. I'm probably going to lose the ECU bracket, because that was for the MEMS 2 ECU and not the MEMS 3, so it doesn't really quite fit on there. So I'll find an alternative solution for the ECU. I might fix it to the side of the heater box or something. And then obviously the weekend, I think Tom's coming back to weld this up and do a bit more tidying up. So that's where we are with this one. Yeah, time to carry on. Bit more of an update. That's been welded up where there was the holes before, and the same the other side. We've got aero catches on the way now, so we can put them in. Also, engine's back off the subframe. Subframe's all stripped down, ready for powder coat. And we've got all the bits there laid out, ready to replace. So we're going to get new wishbones, new shocks, new springs probably. Yeah. So that's enough for this episode, I think. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you very soon in another one.